Dumpster rental service in Caledonia, Michigan. Tackling a cleanup or renovation? Let On-Time Dumpsters simplify your job. We provide a reliable dumpster rental service for homeowners, contractors, and businesses in Caledonia, Michigan. No matter the size of your project, we've got a dumpster that fits. We take pride in offering easy, efficient service you can count on. Our team handles every detail, from timely drop-offs to stress-free pickups. You can focus on your project, and we'll handle the waste. From yard cleanups to home remodels, our dumpsters are built to handle any debris. Our scheduling is flexible, and we're happy to accommodate your timeline. We're known throughout Caledonia for our reliable and friendly service. There are no hidden charges, just honest pricing and dependable support. We're here to make your project easier and cleaner. You can always count on us for safe, professional dumpster placement and removal. Looking for a top-tier dumpster rental service in Caledonia, Michigan? On-Time Dumpsters is the trusted choice. Don't let waste slow you down. Let us take care of it. Call us at 616-460-9554 to book your dumpster fast. Cleanup has never been this convenient.